Good morning, everyone. Breakfast is ready.
I'm coming, Mom. Wow, it smells delicious.
Thank you, Emma. Everything looks wonderful.
After breakfast, we're going to the farmer's market.
Really? That's exciting. I can't wait.
We'll shop together as a family.
Is everyone ready?
Yes, let's go. I'm ready too.
Let's have a wonderful day together.
Don't forget to lock the door.
Everyone, please wear your seatbelts.
Mine is fastened. Me too.
Safety always comes first.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Wow, this market is beautiful. Look at all the fresh fruits.
Let's start shopping.
First, we'll get a shopping basket.
I can't wait.
Let's take a shopping basket first.
There are so many fruits.
Yes, let's start shopping.
Stay together, everyone.
These vegetables look very fresh.
I'll put them in the basket.
The tomatoes are bright red.
Great choice.
Fresh vegetables are healthy.
Can we buy strawberries?
Of course.
These apples look perfect.
Let's take some bananas too.
I love fresh fruit.
This bread smells wonderful. Let's buy 2 loaves.
It's still warm. I can't wait to eat it.
Fresh bread is always delicious.
We need cheese and yogurt.
I'll carry the yogurt carefully. The shelves are so cold.
Everything stays fresh here.
Let's keep moving.
May I choose one snack?
Yes, but only one.
I'll choose carefully.
Good decision.
That's your favorite cookie.
Hello, did you find everything you needed? Yes, thank you. Your total is $48.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Let's put everything in the car.
I'll carry the bread. I'll carry the fruit basket.
Thank you for helping.
Teamwork makes everything easier.
We're home. I'll bring these bags inside. I'll help too.
Great job, everyone.
Thank you for helping today.
Today was so much fun.
Every family adventure.
Every family adventure becomes a beautiful memory. Thank you for watching and the next English story. Goodbye.